Oh, wow. Is it a bright day today? The sun's shining. There's no clouds in the sky. It's supposed to be 55 degrees today. This next video and a couple other was going to have this same intro. We're going to be working on this thing right behind me here. First step, jack the thing up. I wanted to get it level because we're changing fluids. That's pretty level there. It's off just a little bit, but that'll work. And I had help. Vickie came out and helped me. I thank you, Vickie. It's hard for me to get up and down. She knows that, so she came out here and she just pushed up and down the handle, and I put jack stands under it. Safety first. That thing ain't going nowhere with jack stands under it. Now, I got a lot of projects coming up, but here's some products for this next 3 projects I got coming on. I'm changing oil in 3 different things. We got some of the tools out, don't know which ones. I will show you which tools I used in each product at the end of the video. So, oh, what a sweetheart. She brought me some iced tea. I'm going to drink that and take a break. Yes, I am. Hang in here. Next clip right now. All right, guys. This is the product we're using. I don't know which camera is going to work. Kind of tight under here. But I'll show you all the stuff we're going to use to do this. After we get done, I'll show you what we used and how we did it. You'll have to watch the video. We're going to use this here also. So anyway, let's get her done. Hopefully I don't hit a camera. They're hanging everywhere. Because the last one of my cameras went off. And I don't want that happening again. So, okay, there's supposed to be a plug right there. And I can't get to it naturally. Let's cut it right there till I get back. All right. We don't need that. Alrighty, let's get on it. There we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. What we want to do is we're going to take this one out first, just to make sure she comes out. Wow! Oh my! Whoever put that in used some muscle. Oh! All my weight can't even get that down. What do we got that I can use? Woo-wee. With the extension on it, I can't get it to go. Holy smokes! What the heck? Well, we're going to try something different. Damn. Okay. Well, I don't want to do it this way, but man, I can't get her loose. Man, they had that tight. And that's black. That's blacker than a witch's heart. She's draining. I hope you got it. Hopefully we got it. Yeah, bump that a little. It's okay. Oh, that's definitely full. Man. Ooh, am I going on and on? Well, that tight thing was tight, tight, tight. Well, that's why you take the top one off first. Now let's see if we can get that bottom one loose a little easier. My gosh. Yeah, that's the way that should have came loose. Oh, goddamn, the creepers. They just don't creep. Okay, let's get this out of here. I'm gonna get a lot of oil out of the bottom one, but it was over full in the front top, and it shouldn't be pouring that much out the top. Should not. Man. Whew. Now, I ain't putting it back in that tight, I'll guarantee you that. Okay. Whoo! Can't even get that one out right. Okay. Maybe that'll get her. This is going to pour out here. She's needing changed. I'll guarantee you. Needing changed. All right, there she goes. There she is. All right, now this should have a magnet on it. Let's see if it does. Never been in this. 100 and almost 16,000 miles on this. I don't think anybody ever changed it. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a lot of sludge. No chips. But can you see the sludge? What the heck is that? Oh, that's probably that stuff to make it for your anti-slip. Anyway, gonna clean that off. And now let that thing drain there. Whew. That was a booger. I'm going to try to zoom these in digitally so you can see what's going on. Man. I don't know what the guy was thinking when he put that back together. Well, while that's drying like that, I'm going to go ahead and put the mileage on here with my pen. This is things you use for marking your metal to cut. So let's just put, I think it's 100,005, and let's see, 600, I think it was, 640. All right, that'll let them know when that was changed. And let's put a date. What is to date? The date's 2/2/2. I'll put a 7. That's okay. Ain't gonna make a difference. 23. There we go. Now somebody will know when we did that. Okay. Oh my heavens. Okay, well let's put. I don't think I've ever seen anything that tight. All my stuff probably went flying because I was trying to get that done. Where's it at? Hey guys, you know what I always say, if you can't laugh at yourself, don't laugh at nobody else. Well, I've been laughing my butt off at myself. You notice I got different clothes on. Well, these lids on these things, they got the little pull tabs on them. Hang on, let me open this one. You see what I mean? You got these little things right here. You got to rip them off, and then you can put your cap back on, cut the top off, and squirt it in there. That's what that's for. All right? Well, when your hands are slick, and you're under there in the oil, sometimes you can't get them off. So, in my bright wisdom, I grabbed that, opened it up, I couldn't get it off, so I grabbed my teeth and I ripped that thing off. Not thinking about how much pressure I was squeezing on that bottle. Yeah, I got a face full of oil. It was dripping off my beard, running down my shirt, and onto my britches. Oh well, hey, live and learn. I ain't doing that one again. Don't you guys do it either. But if you do, just laugh about it. What else can you do? Look. Oh, dang. You know, you should have had a camera on that. Okay, that's just dripping now. I'm going to wipe it off. We're going to, if I didn't lose it, there it is. I was kind of out of here in a hurry a while ago when I got out. That's going to be good enough. Let's stick this one in with the stuff on it. I'm going to stick that one in. Let's see. Yeah, got to get that off of there. Stick that on there. Oop, wrong end. I'm a little confabulated. Oh, damn. Yeah. 5. Okay, we're going to put this one back in. I don't know why they didn't tighten these bottoms up like that top one. And it's just, why? Okay, I'm definitely not going to put it back that tight. Okay. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And there we go. Get that out of the way so I can get a better swing. I think this has been changed before because it looks like they painted it and chipped the paint off. Okay, now then, we're going to squirt the oil in there if I can. And that's why I like these things. You can do that and then squirt it in. That's much easier than trying to pour it in, ain't it? Okay, that one, that's how fast and easy that went in there. There may be a little quarter of a cup in there, maybe. We'll see if we need it. Oh heck, I gotta open this one up. I ain't gonna open it like I did the last one. Guarantee you that. There we are. Yeah, you learn things like that. All right. I'm gonna put this one on here. I'm gonna see if we can squirt this stuff in there first. If we can, I don't know what this is like. I guess it's, I don't know, we'll see. I could have mixed it with the other stuff, but I think that rear end will mix it up pretty good. Yep, that's squirted in. Now then, put a lid on this one. Okay. Oh my goodness, they like to squirt on a guy. Now this ain't supposed to take 2, so you'll let her do its thing and then put a little more in it. It's supposed to take almost 2. Like it's supposed to take 1 1/4. She's still taking it. Oh, there we go. That's about right. About what she's a coming out, just like it's supposed to. I think it is. Let me give it just a dab more. Oh, there it is for sure. There it is for sure. Now then, we're going to stick this one back in. No sealant on the top one. It ain't going to seal out, come flying out of there. There we go. I'm going to tighten that one up. Snug, guys. You don't need gorilla tape. You don't need gorilla strength on these things. You just really don't. Don't want that to tip over. Now I'll drain what's left in all of these. Put them in another one so I can throw it in there. Okay. Plenty tight, plenty tight. It ain't going nowhere. All right, that's it. That's how you change the oil in the rear of one of these. Do not try to use your teeth to pull the tab off. Well, as I said, we're all done. We've done 3 videos, I think, front end, rear end, and transfer case on changing oil. And this is what we used in the front axle of the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Okay, we used that in that. I think you could use the same thing in the all of them, but you use more if you got a Rubicon. So check your owner's manual to see how much you needed. Now this is the pipe I had to put on here to get that thing broke loose. There we go. That's how I had to put that on there to get it broke loose. I used an air gun on the back, but I wanted to do it manual because a lot of you guys don't have air guns. So that's what I had to do to get both drain plugs loose. And you want to get the drain plugs loose. No, was it the drain? No, it was the fill plugs to get them loose. And then I used this little extension to get in there. And on the back, we put oil like that in there, plus we put this in here for the Positrack rear end. It feels like there may be a dab left. I don't know what I'd ever use it for, but anyway, that's it. We're done with the oil change. Now then, if you guys really want to watch what's going to go on this Jeep, we got some things planned. Light bar, lift kit, maybe a muffler. What else? Oh, front bumper. Lots of things coming on this Jeep. If you want to just subscribe to the channel, and then I'll fire them on there as I get them done. I don't know what I'm going to do next, if anything, on this. I also want to get to work on the motorcycle. Harley-Davidson, that is. So anyway, y'all have a good one. Subscribe, do all that, so you don't miss nothing else. And keep in mind, all you got to do is hippity-hoppity down the road in your Jeep.